Friends, today we are going to learn about network topology. Network topology is basically a layout of a network. Networks are connected to various computer devices. It might be physical or logical. Physical means using a physical medium, logical using an unguided wireless medium. Now we see a bus topology here. A bus topology has a construction of a main cable. Here with that main cable many computer systems are connected together, and the direction of the data is being shown here. It's cost effective. It's one of the advantage. It's used in small networks. It's very easy to expand, and it's slower since all the traffic flows through the main cable. The disadvantage. Now we see here the ring topology. Here the data flows in a unidirectional kind of thing, and sometimes it might be bidirectional in another direction also. Here it's very easy to construct. It's an advantage. It's very subjected to failure. Okay, and if a single system fails, the whole network fails. Next we are seeing another topology known as the star topology. Here it have a central hub. The central hub is connected to many devices. Its devices might be any computer system or nodes. Each and every system has a dedicated connection. It improves a fast performance, and you can easily upgrade to many systems. Installation cost is high, and every system depends upon the hub, and if the central hub fails, the whole system is worthless. Next we see a topology known as the mesh topology. Here every system is connected to a dedicated cable and also with a server. It's very easy to install. The mesh topology, finding the number of n devices, the formula is n into n minus 2 by 2. Here we are using routing and flooding mechanism to send the data from a system to another system. Flooding, it contains many algorithms. Flood and routing also. It's a very robust kind of network. Our system is connected to each other. It's a very secure kind of communication. Examples are BitTorrent and uTorrent. Next we see the topology known as the tree topology. It's a combination of a star and a bus. Here you see the main cable as you saw in a bus, and here you see a central server as is located found in the star. It's used in wide area network. Here it's easily expand the nodes, and we can also see a main hub main bus fails, the whole network fails. It's very easy to maintain the networks. Our system are dependent upon this server, the central hub. That's the disadvantage of this topology. Next we see an hybrid topology, where it uses the combinations of the previous topology which we learnt now. Here you are seeing a star topology and also a mesh topology. This is known as a hybrid topology. It handles larger volume, larger data. It means easily you can be able to detect and maintain the faulty system. You get a huge network performance, but it's expensive and you need technicians to maintain it. Thank you.